Welcome back guys, and in your Samsung mobile, if you are facing sudden switch off problem, your mobile is turning off suddenly automatically, then in this video I am going to tell you 5-6 things sequentially. You have to do all the you do and check all the things which I am telling you. Perhaps your problem might get solved. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Very first thing what you need to do is just check for any software update. Go to the setting, then go to the software update, and here download and install. Here check, and if then any update is there, just update your phone. I have updated, so my software is up to date. It will not come. If you have any update, just update it, and after that see the problem comes or not. If problem is coming, please, the second thing is just check in the last few days, have you installed any third-party apps? If you have installed any third-party apps, and if you do not need that, please try to uninstall those apps. After installing, please check that your problem is there or not. Your problem may get solved, but after doing these two things, your problem still is there. Then what you need to do, just remove the SIM tray, put your phone off, then by pressing volume key and volume minus key and the power key, just keep it pressed for 5-10 seconds, and when the logo come, just leave that. Your phone will boot. After that, put your SIM tray back and check that problem is there or not. If it is there, it is not going, what you need to do, the fourth step is just switch off your phone, and after switching off, just massage your phone like that from the front and then from the back. This is not the funny things. What you are actually doing, if your phone has fallen from your pocket or from your hand, some connectors which are there in the back or front may get loose, and you can face sudden switch off problem. So just massage it, and then go to the front, and then again in front, massage it like that, each and every corner, and after that, by putting this power off and volume minus key, both press simultaneously, and after that it will boot. When the logo come, it will boot automatically, and then see the problem has solved or not. If your problem is still there, then please see that your battery is okay or not. If your battery has gone defective, gone bad, the problem will come. So this problem will come. And then one thing, suppose you are the fifth thing, suppose you are pressing your this power button on, and when you are leaving that, it is switching off. So just spam the power button. Do that procedure for 10 times, 15 times. In some cases, it has been reported that spamming the power button may solve your problem. What is spamming? Just keep your power button pressed for some time and leave that, your phone will off. Again press, leave that, your phone will off. After 10-15 times, some people has reported that problem got solved. So this is one thing. And then last thing sound a little bit funny, but some people have reported that this also one of the cause of rectifying your phone. Just put your phone into the deep refrigeration, and just after some time, 10 minutes, put it out, then switch off on your phone and try to check your phone for that problem. So this is all what you have to do before going to repair shop for any hardware problem. If there is any hardware issue, you have to go to the repair shop. This is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.